In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate a new domain in ConvertKit easily. If you've just bought a new domain and want to connect it with ConvertKit for sending emails or hosting landing pages, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Domain Name. This is where you'll add your new domain. Next, click on the Add a New Domain button. A box will appear asking for your domain name. Type it in, for example, yourwebsite.com, and then click Add Domain. ConvertKit will now give you a few DNS records, usually CNAME records, that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Don't worry, it's simple. Open a new tab and log in to your domain provider. It could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or whichever service you use to buy your domain. Find the section labeled DNS Settings or Manage DNS. Here, you'll need to add the CNAME records exactly as shown in ConvertKit. Copy the values one by one and paste them into your DNS records. After adding them, go back to ConvertKit and click on Verify Domain. It might take a few minutes or sometimes up to 24 hours for your domain to be verified. Once verified, ConvertKit will mark your domain as connected. That means your emails and landing pages will now show your custom domain instead of ConvertKit's default link. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your new domain in ConvertKit. Now your emails will look more professional and trustworthy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy ConvertKit guides. Thanks for watching.